Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to unblock or block someone on Instagram. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application. Locate and click on the messenger icon at the top right. Now, to block anybody on Instagram, just go ahead and open the person from the list. Now, click on the profile name. Here, locate and click on the options under the name. Then you should say block. Now go ahead and click on block. Then you should put that says you want to block this Instagram user. Then go ahead and click on block. Then you should say blocking. Then hit the back button. Now go again and repeat this on all other Instagram users that you want to block. So select their name, click on their profile name, click on options, then select block. Then click on block from the pop. And again, to unblock any of these Instagram users, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the username or the name on Instagram, click on profile name, click on the three options, then select unblock, or on the profile page like this, go ahead and click on unblock, then select unblock from the pop, and there you're good. So you want to make sure you repeat this on all your blocked lists on Instagram. So you see that, and then you're good. So that is exactly how to unblock or block someone on Instagram. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.